When society takes a hit from a major disaster or SHTF scenario, being prepared with the right supplies can make the difference between thriving and merely surviving, or not surviving at all. It's always a good idea to periodically check in with your preps to make sure, especially with the items on this list, that you're fully stocked. So here's a rundown of some items that will prove invaluable in SHTF situations, ensuring that you have the means to cope and adapt over the long term. Foil, great for cooking, preserving heat, and even signaling for help. Alcohol, useful for disinfecting wounds and can serve as a bartering item. Baking soda, versatile for cleaning, deodorizing, fire extinguishing, and so much more. Candles provide essential lighting and can help with heat in small spaces. Bicycles, these give you a reliable fuel-free mode of transportation. A first aid kit, this is crucial for treating injuries and preventing infections. Books, these are important for entertainment and education when we have no electronics. And be sure you concentrate on getting books that contain skills and knowledge you're not so proficient at. Flashlights and rechargeable batteries. This is essential for navigation and for any tasks at night. Duct tape. This fixes practically anything from torn clothing to makeshift shelters. Bug spray and lotions to protect against any disease-carrying insects. Boots. Durable footwear is vital for rough terrains and long treks. You should have several pairs. Sewing supplies. This is important for repairing clothing and gear. Camping gear includes tents and sleeping bags and everything else that goes along with that, crucial for any temporary shelter needs. Hunting gear, necessary for getting food in a wilderness setting. A multi-tool. This is handy for a variety of tasks from cooking to repairs. Tarps, useful for collecting rainwater, creating shelters, or covering supplies. Personal hygiene supplies. These are essential for preventing disease and maintaining morale. Trash bags serve multiple purposes, from waste disposal to waterproofing. Cleaning supplies, and especially bleach, critical for sanitation and purifying water. A radio keeps you connected with the outside world for updates. Clothing. You want sufficient and suitable clothing for all weather conditions. This is a must. And old clothes, don't forget, can be repurposed. Condoms for disease prevention and also valuable for bartering. Sanitation supplies. This includes items like toilet paper and soap, which is critical for disease prevention. Solar power. This provides a sustainable energy source to power devices and lights. Cooking and eating utensils. Obviously, these are necessary for preparing and consuming meals. Tools. You want a basic set that includes hammers, nails, and saws for building and repairs. Water purifiers, of course. This is a must-have to ensure safe drinking water. Diapers. These are essential for babies, but they're also a great barter item if you don't need them for your own baby. Consider purchasing cloth diapers. Ziploc bags to keep items dry and organized. Entertainment. Items like cards or board games to keep spirits up. Lighters, matches, and fire starters. Obviously, these are crucial for cooking and warmth. Fishing gear to give you a means to secure food from water. Gardening tools, essential for growing your own food. Navigation tools, maps and compasses. These are crucial for travel and orientation. Non-perishable food. This is an obvious one, but it should be a major part of your supplies and concerns. OTC meds, to treat minor ailments and manage chronic conditions. Seeds, for starting a garden to sustain food supplies. Self-defense items. These obviously are essential for protecting yourself and your supplies. In the event of a long-term disaster, having these items on hand can provide security, sustenance, and a semblance of normalcy. Each item not only serves its primary purpose, it can also be repurposed in innovative ways to meet unexpected needs. And of course, there are always additional items that you may think of, so please share them in the comments. As you review your own preps and compare them to this list, remember that flexibility and resourcefulness are as crucial as the supplies themselves.